morning, boys and girls. For science today, we will learn about soils, the types of soil, and the uses of soil. But before we get into the lesson, can anybody tell me what is soil? Yes, John? Yes. Stick on that. Susie, can you tell me what is soil? Right? Both are correct. Can somebody give Susie and John a hand? Very good. So, I want to add to that definition. Soil is the upper part of the earth that we can see and touch. So, we walk on soil, we play with soil, even the road is on soil. So, now I will hand
Miss Latavia would have given you a brief definition on soil. Now, I will be giving you some additional information about soil. Now, the first thing we will be looking at is the three types of soil. Now, there are many types of soil, but today we will be focusing on these three common types, right? And these three common types are around us, right? They are in our neighborhood. And the first one we have is sandy soil and clay soil, loam soil. Now here are some pictures to show you the sandy soil, the clay soil, and the loam soil. Now before we go on to the uses of the soils, can anyone tell me what they think is the sandy soil? Very good, Nishan. Very good. Yes, the sandy soil is made up of fine particles of sand, right? And I will add on some more definitions to Nishan definition. So, yes, the sandy soil is made up of fine particles of sand, right? And these particles of sand are big and they have a lot of space between them. They contain a lot of air and cannot hold water. So if we pour water into the sandy soil, the water will fall. The water will come through the soil because it cannot hold a lot of water. Can anybody tell me what the sandy soil is used for? Very good, Kristen. Very good. Yes, the sandy soil is used to make cement and construction of buildings. Very good. Come on, give Nishan a clap. Now we will be moving on to the clay soil. Now the clay soil is a very smooth soil and it is soft and the particles are very fine and they are very close to each other, right? And they hold a lot of water but cannot trap here. So the sandy soil cannot hold water but it can trap here. But the clay soil can hold a lot of water but do not trap here. Now let us move on to the loam soil, right? Can anyone tell me the two types of soil we need to mix to get the loam soil? Very good. Yes, we need to mix sandy soil and clay soil and we will get loam soil. Now we also have to get a lot of humus, right? And humus are dead animals and plants, dead decaying animals and plants, right? Also, the loam soil is a very fertile soil, right? And can anyone tell me what the loam soil is best for? Very good, Madonna. Very good. Yes, the loam soil is best for growing plants. Now, here we have some samples of the three types of soil. The first one, can anyone tell me what the first one look like? Yes, the first one is sandy soil. Yes, and the sandy soil is made up of fine particles of sand. Yes, yes, fine particles of sand. And remember, they have a lot of space between them. So let us move on to the next soil. Can Tiana tell me what this next soil is? Very good, Tiana. Very good. Yes, this next soil is loam, right? And Tiana, can you tell me what did we say about loam? Yes, loam is a mixture of clay, sand, and a lot of humus, and it is best for growing plants. Also, you also loam holds a lot of water too, right? So the last soil, yes, the last soil is clay soil. But can you tell me what you notice about the clay soil? Very good. Yes, the clay soil are close to each other. Yes, look at the clay soil. It is close. Comparing to the loam and the sandy soil, it is very close to each other. Very good, pupils. Very good. And don't forget, it is used to make toys and making bricks. Very good. Now, I want you to go home and do some additional information on the types of soil, right? And also, I want you to go home and look up on what causes soil erosion, how to prevent soil erosion, right? And next week, when you come back, I will be giving you a quiz to see how much you have learned.
Who was really listening to Miss Lewis while she was talking? Who was really paying attention? So I have 3 questions to ask you. And whoever answered correctly will have a little token. And no. I don't want you to shout out the answer and say, me, miss. No. I will call on the person I want to answer, and then you will answer, and I will give you, when you answer correctly, I will give you that little token. So, my first question, what do we use soil to do? Yes, John? Okay, John, what can we use soil to do? Very good. Very good, John. Now, I need someone to name 2 types of soil. Aliana? Very good, very good. Sandy and clay. Now, my last question. My last question. What is soil? Very good. So can somebody give a clap for John? Soil is the upper layer of this earth that is visible to us. Very good, children. So after this lesson, I want you to go over it. So for next class, we will talk more about soil.
This video was done by Miss Litavi and Miss Louise.